Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I will show you how can you install and work with Copilot that is trending right now. And if you're using Chrome, if you're using Edge, how can you install and how can you search in Copilot? So if you have Chrome and if you go to Chrome, so first you can just search for Copilot and you can see if you start searching the Copilot, you can see the Copilot Microsoft.com. So it directly open you that Copilot tab. So these are so I have already logged in over here, so you have to log in with your Microsoft account. Once you log in, you will get this type of screen, and with that you can do a number of things. So many great features that we have. You can write an email, you can search for the new things, what is going on. So these are all things you can do it in the Copilot. So likewise, if you have each, so if you already updated the new version of Edge, you can see the symbol. This is actually the Copilot symbol. Once you hover your cursor here, so this is the sidebar already opened. And let's I will give you a small thing. You can see in the Microsoft Edge the number of news over here. And if you okay, let's talk about something. Okay, let's talk about this product. Okay, so if I click on this product, it will open a new tab, and you can see the description, more information on that. Also you can see there are a few things like the gate answer, where they are asking, tell me more about this product. Is this product good value for money? So if I click any one of these, so if you click the get answer, so it is directly open the sidebar of Copilot, and it will give all the information about that product, and also the related questions, the FAQ you can say, answer from the web instead, how long does it take to full charge fully. So if you have those questions, you can just click it, it will search it and give you those all information. So yeah, it is very great. You can see the pros and cons also over here. You can ask over here as well, what is the pros and cons of this product. So this is a very simple way that you can research while purchasing anything while or in online, and anything means it is very good things that you can play with this Copilot. Also, if you don't want to use any browser, so you can, if you are using the Windows, so you can simply go to Microsoft Store and search for Copilot over here. So once you search for Copilot, it will show you the Microsoft Copilot, and this is the one that is you have to just install in your system. Once you click on Gate, also you have to log in as well before installing this. So once you click on Gate, it will start downloading, and once the download complete, the icon it will automatically install in your system, and the Copilot icon you can see you can add into the taskbar as well. So you can see it is installed, and you can, so now the Copilot is installed this application. So yeah, you can directly go from here as well. If you don't want to go from the browser, you can directly search over here, right, whatever it means. Yeah, okay, so this is also asking the app is already installed, giving the information, the ping the taskbars, if you want to pin to start, create a desktop shortcut, auto start, device plugin. So whatever, if you want to, I don't want to plug in into the start, but yeah, it's better to get it in taskbars. It's quickly I can access this Copilot application. So once you click OK, so this is okay. This is recently added, and once you click, it is open. Okay, so I'm searching news on laptops. So it will search all the information, and it will give you the more information about this. So you can see there are the few search that Copilot gives us. You can see these are all the sites from where this information he pulled. You can directly go to the slide if you hold your cursor, so you can see which site this information is from, which site, and use you can simply click on that link and it will open, and you can search your product if you want to. And yeah, it is very easy to handle, and easy to understand, and you can play with this application. So yeah, that's it for the Copilot. Let me know if you want to see the same Copilot for mobile application. So please comment me below so I can make that video as well. Thank you.